We found it, guys. We found the toys.
Hey, watch out. Yeah, we see it right there.
Right.
It's $10.
Agent's face reveal. Brothers, don't. That's true. I want that one.
So,
right here. Fucking sad. These people are trying to hide it all like that. How much is this? Oh, it's running away, really? How much? This is beat up. So this is not gonna help us too. We're getting a second, or these guys, we already bought one. We're gonna buy a second one. So yeah, we're gonna be buying this one because this one looks like. Adrian, how much money did we say we got?
$17.75.
17. Okay, yeah. 17. So, Adrian, did you end your video?
Nope.
You better not be showing my face.
I already did a face review.
Don't make another one because you're not showing my face. I'm saving that to later, guys. Any more Star Wars stuff? Because I'm gonna mine some. Alright, let's look for more. So we got this one. It's my second box. This will be the first part of the first order battle pack. So I'm gonna see you guys there. See you guys there. It's been Reviewer. I'm out.